Hello everyone, it's Hanny and it's bloody hot. Oh, and I'm sorry for the noises you maybe will hear because I have the window open and well, we have a grocery store, a market before our house, in our front yard. So there will be people. So there will be noise from cars and whatever. And it's so hot. I'm sweating and everything is sticky. But I'm going to make Margarete Miller's collage challenge number 32. I'm going to try anyway. This is my journal. And the prompts are anything that starts with the letter L. Well, I could use a label or a letter or, well, a lamp, I don't know, but I just found lace. Maybe I could use a piece of that. It's not paper, but I can collage with it. And I have a piece of ledger paper, so that's with the letter L. Then lines from a poem. I had another prompt, handwriting, and I have here handwriting from this Mr. Lennon, John Lennon, and there was a poem too. So I'm just sitting here watching the wheels go round and round. I really love to watch them roll. No longer riding in the merry-go-round. I just had to let it go. I love that too. So maybe I'm going to use that poem or a few lines of it. And his handwriting. I had another handwriting. That was another prompt. Handwriting. And the fourth prompt is a geometric shape. Well, I used that before. I have these triangles. I can use that in the background. And this is a piece of background paper. So handwriting, well, I showed you that's this or this. An illustration. Well, I love this illustration. It fits, well, it fits. And the bonus is a border or frame. And I thought maybe I can use this washi tape to make some kind of border or frame. Or I can draw one. Or maybe I have a stamp I can use. Acrylic stamp or something like that. I don't know. But I have these things. So I'm going to collage with that. And maybe some other things I didn't find yet. So let's start. I will speed the video up. Put some music on it. And well, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Bye for now. Bye.